Hey everyone, today's project, I'm working on a 1999 Dodge Dakota. Now the issue I'm having, when the car is on, the turn signal goes up and down but is not responsive. I'll fire it up real quick for you and show you the problem that I'm having. Okay, so the hazard lights do work just fine, inside and outside, everything's working, but the turn signal, you just hear a single click when you manipulate it, and you have nothing on the dash and nothing working outside. The issue is not the stalk itself here, there's nothing wrong with that. Usually it's this little box right here, which is your relay. Now this one is dead. I have already tested it, and I purchased the replacement one. It is the EP27. I do recommend trying out the fuse first before you actually take the time to replace the stock. This wasn't too bad. They run anywhere from $25 to $35, but it's a pretty simple fix. You just literally take that box out and pop the fresh one in. Now, I've seen some other videos on YouTube showing, I guess, the Dodge Durango. This fuse is actually further back behind, and you have to reach through this to gain access. So you do have to pull the dash apart. Thankfully, on the Dakota, it's a bit easier. I'll show you with replacing that, it does indeed fix the problem, because your flashers or your blinkers, whatever, they only work when the car is on. So now that that fuse has been replaced, or the relay rather has been replaced, you are back in action. So thanks again for checking out my videos. If this helped you out, feel free to subscribe. Enjoy your day.